There's nothing on TV.
Nothing on TV.
Whatever should we do?
Outside.
Beach, beach, sea, beach. Beach, sea, beach, 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 sea, beach.
Extremity of luxury.
To bite into chunky meat.
Beyond description.
Don't feed the pigeons.
Here, don't feed pigeons.
Here. Here. Here, don't feed the pigeons. I think we made him mad. It's like, no, feed me. Oh god, the rain. Why? Right, so where are we today, Vicky?
Wakayama.
And what did we decide to do in Wakayama?
Go to the beach.
Okay, and we decided to go where first?
The castle.
Okay, and what's happened to the castle?
It's raining.
It's raining a lot. Enough that we can't really use the main camera, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're using the Osmo at the moment, but it's a lot of rain.
It's a lot of rain.
Yeah, we'll see what happens now, because
I don't think we're going to be able to go to the beach.
I mean, we could go to the beach, but it'd be wet, right?
Yeah.
And I don't have an umbrella,
No.
though that shop might sell one.
It looks like a souvenir shop.
That means they'll probably have at least an overpriced umbrella.
Yeah, maybe.
No beach?
No beach.
No beach? Just rain.
Just rain. Oh my, well, I guess we could go in the castle.
Yeah.
Something to do, because there doesn't really seem to be much to do in Wakayama. I think everyone comes here to go to the beach, which is what we wanted to do.
But
Now it's raining like crazy, and that's not ideal beach weather. So the list of things that we can do here have gone to zero. Maybe eat, but that's it really, eat food.
honestly, I didn't see anywhere attractive, like on the way. It was just like shut buildings and office stuff, right?
Yeah, well even like closed office buildings, like loads of places looking for tenants. But yeah.
So we're gonna call it a day?
We'll call it a day. We'll head back to the station, see if there's anything that takes our fancy that way, but if not, we'll just go home.
Yeah, this is some serious business, right?
Serious business.
Serious rain business.
Serious rain business. My phone didn't tell me it was gonna rain until it started raining.
That's good work.
Thanks, phone.
So what would you give these steps out of 10, Vicky? Looks like he's enjoying himself. So what's the plan now, Vicky?
Eat food, go home.
Yep. Play video games, look at cats on Instagram,
Yes.
and yeah.
Disappointed!
Yeah, we're gonna try out this cafe behind us. Toki no wa Coffee. They do bagels, which is rare in Japan, so probably gonna try one of those. And yeah.
Let's go.
We still have things to be grateful for though, right?
Yes, we do.
Not getting wet.
Yeah.
Let's go. What the hell?
We left at the wrong time.
We did leave at the wrong time. I'm wearing bloody socks and sandals. So we're reporting live from the scene. What do you think, Vicky?
It's raining sideways. I feel like I might say a bet to try and share your umbrella, but
This doesn't even cover me.
oh well, then we shall down back on.
Oh, my feet are soaked already! We're on our way to back in Osaka. After the washout of Wakayama, we decided that we'd go on like a little date, soothe our broken hearts. So we decided to do some of the best things in life. We'd come to a cat cafe, play with some cats, and then go get chocolate at Max Brenner. Alright, in we go. So why are cat cafes up in
Because not many people have the space to look after cats. So this is like a kind of relaxing environment where you can come and pet kitties and have a coffee and chill.
You're not allowed pets in our apartment, right?
No, lots of places don't allow pets, so
And the bulk of people live in apartments, right?
so there's no space. Goodness, he's got a bow tie on.
Oh, he's got a bow tie.
No, come back. Okay.
Come on, go say hello.
She said hello, hello, say hello first.
Cat cafe was good. They were all cute. It started getting busy at the end, and people should just leave the cats to be. Like, if they want to come up to you, they'll come up to you. But yeah.
I guess that's good cat cafe advice.
Yeah, just like
Don't grab the cats.
if the cats are tired, like just
Leave them alone.
just leave them alone. Like if you've got like if you're gonna feed them whatever, that's fine. They'll come up to you. But like, yeah, I guess it's the one downside of the cat cafe. Anyway, so we're off to what? The chocolate shop.
Chocolate.
Chocolate shop.
Chocolate feast.
But Vicky's happy again now, so she got to play with some cats. She was feeling. You were tired this morning, weren't you?
I was.
Yeah.
Now I'm rejuvenated.
Rejuvenated by the power of
Kitty cats.
cats.
Yes. All them boys.
Touched all the. Look at that.
Yeah,
Look
we'll
at
cut that out.
Look
We
at
won't
that.
add that.
Yeah. So, yeah. Very off we go. I'm gonna eat the whole damn thing.
Whole damn thing.
The whole damn thing.
Whole damn thing.
I'm gonna eat it all.
Good. Do you want to film me outside? Or are you filming with? Okay.
I'm gonna lose it now.
This bit looks like Bristol.
Well, like,
Yeah.
yeah.